हाय। आय आय लो 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 लो। नाम क्या है उसका? आशा। देख, दीदी को भी दो। लो आशा, राजेश, हाय करो। अभी तो हाय करो। हाँ, हंसो हंसो हंसो। ये guys, look at the beauty of Gujarat. This is rural Gujarat, and we are somewhere near Morbi. It's a village in the Gujarat, and I don't know what is this. This is a groundnut, I guess. It is very cool. Though it is sunny, it is cold. You can see a lot of cow dungs over here. The cow's population is a bit high over here. So I guess this is groundnut, peanut. I'm not sure. Yeah, folks, this is groundnut. Wow, this is groundnut. Amazing. I guess nobody's here. Let me pluck one. Let me see. Wow, guys. Amazing groundnut. See, you can see this peanut. My guess was right. Guys, look at this. How beautiful this farm is. Acres of groundnut everywhere. I'm in love with groundnut. See groundnut. Wow. I feel like eating, but my hand is full of dirt now. Hope I bump to some good farmer of this area so I can ask permission with him to enter the field, and I can like taste it. Yeah, you can see somebody has kept some groundnut over there. Oh man, there was a chameleon. Let me pop it up. Guys, look at the groundnut. Let me taste it. It's good. I love it. I love raw groundnut. It's so good. Yeah, so let us walk. It feels like the road is calling me over there and I'm walking towards the nature. It is so good, guys. I've never been to such kind of village, and this is the first time I'm being some village, that too in Gujarat. It's cotton over here. Yeah, it's cotton. This is cotton plantation, and you know, right, Gujarat is famous for its cotton cultivation, and this is cotton. And let me show you the cotton crop. So that's a cotton crop. You can see that's the cotton, and this is a plant. So nice. ये कौन सा है? कॉटन है, कॉटन। ये कौन सा कल्ट क्रॉप है? कॉटन का है? ये क्या है? कापूस। ये कपड़ा बनाता है इसमें। हाँ, पूरा एंड तक वही है, कापूस। ओह, so guys, look at this. This is cotton farm. I knew it was cotton, but I wanted to like hear from her mouth, and this is the cotton. So you can see this is bendi, what we call lady's finger or okra. See, you can see this. आपका कितना है? कितना एकड़ जगह है इधर? हाँ, ये आपका घर है? क्या क्या समझ नहीं। आप गुजराती बहुत बात करते हो या हिंदी? आप कहाँ से हो? इधर से, गुजरात, मध्य प्रदेश से। हाँ, आपका बच्चा लोग है? हाय हाय करो, हाय करो, हाय। अरे शर्मा मत। A beautiful village life, guys. Amazing life. And this is the lady. She looks after all this farm, and she is from Madhya Pradesh, and she has two children up on the top of the terrace. Look how beautiful. अंदर जा सकता हूँ? ऐसा थोड़ा कुछ नहीं है ना? सांप वाम कुछ नहीं है ना? कुछ नहीं है ना? Wow, guys, it's so scary to get inside. Even though I can see myself, this is like Bhool Bhulaiya, you know, right? Like a maze. It's like a maze, but it is so good. Wow, look at the cotton, and I can't even imagine myself that all these clothes, shirts is from a plant. Whoa, that is so good. And in between there's a butta, what you call it, corn. You can see a corn plant over there. नाश्ता वाश्ता किया? क्या खाया? हाँ,
रोटी ने साग।
रोटी। दोपहर का खाना बनाया? दोपहर को भी रोटी? Wow, guys, how beautiful! Look at the lady's finger. See, these are lady's finger. These are very fresh, had to be grown, had to be fully grown. Wow. And here's a small water source, and it's very clean. And let me climb this and show you the entire view from up. Oh wow, so beautiful. Look at the children's. Hi karo bache. Hi. They are least interested in me. Yeah, let them enjoy. This scene is killing. I wanna run across all this field. I wish my friends were with me so that I could have enjoyed with them. So good. Damn. Let me go from this side too. Wow. Oh, jeez. This is like the drain sewage area. All this goes inside the farm only. Yeah, it's very eco-friendly kind of farm. आप लोग चावल कम खाते हो या गेहूँ?
गेहूं मकाई।
हाँ, मकाई और गेहूँ। हाँ,
ना
दोनों की रोटी बनाते हो? हाँ, और सब्जी इधर से ही मिलती है ना, भिंडी इधर से ही। अच्छा,
भिंडी।
हाँ, और क्या क्या सब्जी है? भिंडी और
कहीं नहीं है अभी, मिर्ची है।
मिर्ची? हाँ। हाय। आय मैं लो नाम क्या है उसका? लल्लू, मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ। कर रहा है, काहे नहीं कर रहे? उसका नाम क्या है?
राजेश।
राजा?
राजेश।
राजेश? राजेश काहे नहीं कर रहा हो? उसका नाम, तुम्हारा नाम क्या?
आशा।
आशा। राजेश और आशा भाई बहन है ना? पानी पी लूं? इधर से पानी पी लूं? The matka pani is here. See, oh my gosh, it's so cold. Guys, this is their kitchen. Beautiful. This is the house. Perfect. Rural India can be portrayed from this vlog. Like perfect rural India, guys. Look at this. How beautiful this is. ऐसा करो. करो ना. राजेश. राजेश और आशा है ना? आशा करो. ऐसा करो. नहीं. कर. ओके, मैं जाता हूँ। बाय बाय करो। आशा, राजेश था ना? राजेश बाय करो। बाय, फिर मिलेंगे। So guys, a very beautiful family, but those children were very scared of me. Yeah, see the chilies over here. Look at the chilies. Oh my gosh, look at the chilies. Wow. Chilies. Oh, you can also find chilies over here too. Look over here also. Chilies. peeps, you can see this plant. It looks very good, very minute leaves it has. See, look at this. But be careful of this, they have even thorns. In the same way, even some humans, some people are very good in appearance, but when we get closer to them, we'll understand their real instinct. See, this is how it works. So we got a lot of things to learn from the nature. Example, this bush. There's a shop over here. Let me buy something to Rajesh and Asha. The children have met over there in the farmhouse. Let me buy something for them now. So guys, I've took some of the chips and I'm heading towards Asha and Rajesh. Yeah, Rajesh. Yes, Rajesh. I don't know what I've took. Some chips. Yeah, Balaji is a very famous brand in Gujarat. Balaji wafers. So put a comment if you have tried Balaji wafers. It's so good. It's better than all these so-called Lays and Doritos. It's better than that. Balaji. I love Balaji chips and wafers. The house is a bit far, so let me walk over there. Asha and Rajesh's house is over there, so let me go there, and I wanna look at their reaction. Like, how will they react towards this? I really don't know how. I'm very excited to see that reaction from them. Let me go there. Rajesh, Asha, किधर है? आप लोग किधर है? छुपा हुआ किधर है? क्या? घर को ताला लगा है. Sound, I can hear the sound, but I don't know from where they are speaking. I guess they are very inside that thing. कहाँ है? अंदर आ सकता है ना? कहाँ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा? ऊपर खड़े हो. कहाँ है?
इधर कापूस विन रहे.
समझा नहीं भाई. This is very scary to go inside. Yeah, okay, I'm getting inside.
समझा नहीं.
रास्ता कौन सा है? किधर से आऊँगा करेक्ट होकर?
नहीं रहता यहाँ.
ऐसा अंदर से घूम कर आऊँगी क्या?
कापूस विन रहे.
हाँ, कुछ नहीं होगा ना कापूस को? हाँ, मैं आया. बच्चे लोग भी है उधर? बच्चे लोग भी उधर है?
ये विनना पड़ता ना.
हाँ ऐसा. हाँ.
बच्चे
बच्चे लोग किधर है?
ये
हाँ नीचे है क्या? ओह मैन.
ये
राजेश ये हेलो. वो किधर है? आशा. हाँ देख, दीदी को भी दो. लो, उस समय आया था ना. हाँ, उस समय आया था ना, मेरे पास कुछ नहीं था. कुछ नहीं लाया था. फिर इधर दुकान था ना, उधर गया. So guys, look at this. They are plucking the cotton. See, they're plucking the cotton from the plant. आप इसको ऐसा करके रख देते हो क्या? बाद में फैक्ट्री को बेचते हैं. अच्छा पैसा मिलता है क्या इससे? तुमको पैसा मिलता है क्या? तुम्हारा मालिक को? सेठ को. सेठ तुमको ऐसा पैसा देता है? हाँ. Look, the children are playing. आशा, राजेश, हाई करो. अभी तो हाई करो. हाँ, हंसो. ये this is like a very rare smile I've got from Rajesh bro. Rajesh भैया. Rajesh. Asha, she's hiding over there.
नहीं काय नहीं करो.
Yeah. Okay, मैं आऊँगा. बाय. मैं केरला जा रहा हूँ. बाय, फिर मिलेंगे.
काम करते ना इधर?
मैं इधर काम नहीं करता हूँ.
तो?
मैं ऐसा घूमने के लिए आया गुजरात.
घूमने के लिए आया?
हाँ.
काम करते कारखाना?
नहीं, मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. स्टूडेंट हूँ.
पढ़ रहे?
हाँ. फिर एक बार आएंगे इधर.
हाँ.
Bye. Guys, oh man, I got stuck over here. This is very difficult to come from the plants. It holds you back. It's good. Let me drink the water. I guess I'm addicted to this water. It is so good. Take it up and pour the glass inside and drink. Let me drink one more glass because it's so cold. Oh, they got an iron cart. Didi, bye bye. जा रहा हूँ. So peeps, you can see onions here, spring onions and onions. I don't know what it is. Is it the spring onion? The top I guess is spring onions and below you get the onion bulbs. And look at it, so beautiful. Let me taste spring onion. Yeah. It's oniony smell. Let me pick another one. It's good. But I've never seen onion ka field. This is for the first time I'm seeing onions field.